Very good morning to all the second BCom General and Computer students. And I'm going to explain Principles of Insurance, Unit 2. Previous class, we discussed about the marine insurance. Before, we also discussed about the insurance contract and the principles of the insurance. And today's topic is about health insurance. Before we start health insurance, everyone knows the present cost of living in the market as well as the situations occurring in the market to the public and uncertainties occurred to the human health everyone are aware of. So it became mandatory and compulsory for everyone to make the health insurance, and who did not go for the health insurance, it is better to make the policy of health insurance. So what is health insurance? We are seeing in detail the definition here. Health insurance covers your medical expenses due to diseases and accidents. So you are making the medical insurance. This insurance you can make solely for yourself. You can also make for your family, your parents, your wife, children, etc. So rate the policy amount is going to be different for individual person, 2 members, 4 members and 6 members. So it would be better to make the health policy. So health insurance here means what? It is covering. Today if you pay little amount, in future any type of event or a risk or accident occurring in future, you can claim the amount in the form of medical expenses or any type of surgical expenses you can claim. Health insurance is a contract between an individual and a group and the insurer. It is from the insurance company. A single person also can make the health insurance, to his family as well as group also can make the health insurance. The policy provides specific health cover for a particular premium. So premium means what? The amount what you are paying regularly. It may be monthly, every 3 months, every 6 months or yearly, but you are paying some amount, means you are saving that amount. Why you are saving that amount? For your future medical expenses you are saving the amount today. So there may be a term policy, there may be different policies. Term policy means the policy may be for 1 year, the policy may be for 4 years, and in this 1 year policy or 4 year policy, solely you can make it. For the family also you can make the benefit of this expenses. So history of the Mediclaim, if you talk about, Mediclaim was introduced in which year? 1986 by General Insurance Company, and covers and LIC also, and covers individual as well as a family from age of which year? 5th year to 80 years. A child who is having 5 years, from there the medical insurance can be covered to the people up to 80 years. Which year this Mediclaim came into existence is in 1986. This medical claim came into existence with the General Insurance Corporation. IRDA in 1999 allowed private company to set up operations in India. You are able to see, even in 1999 private companies are also came into existence for the medical insurance. So who is taking the responsibility of this all insurance? IRDA. What is IRDA? What is the full form of IRDA? Insurance Regulatory Development Authority, which is taking the responsibility of all the problems solved by the insurance. It is giving the role, guidance, ideas, directive principles, functions and objectives of the insurance, and controlling all the insurance companies existing in India. How RBI is controlling all the finance in India, same way IRDA is controlling all the insurance products, insurance sectors in India, which started in 1999. So this IRDA also encouraging the private people to introduce or to start the medical insurance. Types of health insurance policies, if you see, family floater health insurance and Mediclaim, health insurance and Mediclaim for individuals, health insurance and Mediclaim for senior citizens, overseas travel insurance. Okay, overseas travel insurance means what? You are traveling from one country to other country. When you move from one country to other country also, there may be air crash. Okay, so any problem may occur. In order to recover the amount and in order to get the hospitalization charges, you are doing this. health insurance, and for senior citizens also, for individuals also, for the family also, there are the benefits. In India, how many firms are there? 23 firms in India coming under non-life insurers. Life insurance firms and health insurance, if you talk about, 23 firms are there. Major ones, few only I mentioned here. Aviva Life Insurance, Bajaj Allianz, Bharti AXA, ICICI Prudential, LIC, Max New York, MetLife India. So these are the still many more insurance, medical insurances are there, but only few are mentioned here. Life insurance firms in medical. So the question arises, why? Why is it necessary to make the health insurance? Okay, it is compulsory. As you all know, you are also getting the awareness about the medical insurances nowadays. So unaffordable health care, a bypass surgery which is very costly. Okay, any type of surgeries or any type of hospitalization charges which cannot be covered by a common man in this cost of living, growing cost of living, health insurance is going to help to overcome all such type of health issues and problems related to the health of his and his family. No basic public health services, unaffordable health care, no basic public health services, increasing the life expectancy. Life expectancy means what? Lifespan can be increased. Okay, increasing percentage of the elderly persons. Day by day, what is happening is the people are growing, and as the people are growing, the diseases are also growing. In order to recover this, health is wealth. We all know this proverb that health is wealth. If you are fine, we can earn more and more. So it is mandatory for us to make the health insurance. Good news, health insurance is affordable. If the health insurance, if you make, you are going to be successfully happy. Okay, insurance education is compulsory. Awareness, what is the meaning of insurance education is creating. Now I am explaining you about the medical insurance so that you will get the idea about this medical insurance. Who we can do, how can we do, what the benefits of this medical insurance. That comes under insurance education. Health insurance, different types of health insurance are there. Okay, proposal filling. So how you can start this health insurance is giving the format here. First and the foremost thing is you are going to fill up the policy form, proposal filling, premium calculation. Depending upon your age, depending upon your health issues, he is going to mention you are going to fit for which type of policies. So premium rate, if the age is big, age is big means premium rate is also going to be high. If age is small means premium rate is going to be less. So that type of premium calculation is going to do beforehand. Income tax benefits also. If you pay these types of premiums, insurance tax benefits means no need to pay the income tax. Amount is saved in the form of insurance. Cashless reimbursement. Reimbursement means what? Whatever you saved in this policy, the amount what you are getting back. For that there is no tax, no extra charges, no commission is going to be deducted. Your amount is going to be saved there. Group and family discounts. If you go for individual medical insurance, if you go for the group medical insurance, there are many advantages. That part is explained in this group family discounts. Policy comparisons, whether it is term policy for 1 year, 4 years, 7 years or 10 years. So different types of policies are existing. That thing comes under policy comparisons. Claim process means the way you are going to get the amount what you are saving today. It is going to come in the form of surgical expenses or medical expenses or hospitalization charges, okay, or surgery amount, or what process, or in which ways he is going to give the amount comes in the claim process. Prompt reimbursement. Promptness means insurance company, LIC, Life Insurance Corporation India, is one of the trusted company by all the millions of population existing in India. So we can trust LIC as well as GIC, that is General Insurance Company, which are public sector companies which are owned and started by the government of India. Later in they have become privatized under the control of IRDA. So prompt payments are going to be made because they are the organizations which are under the control of state government as well as the central government. Individual policies also can be made. For family floater policies also can be made. Group policies, senior citizen plans, critical illness policies, surgical benefit policy, hospital daily cash policies, super top up policies. Okay, students policies. You are able to see the various types of policies. Recommended policies, how many are there? Nearly 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 policies are there here. First and the foremost policy is what? Individual policy. Next one is family floater policy. Third one is group policy. Next one is the senior citizen plans, critical illness policies, surgical benefit policies, hospital daily cash policies, super top up policies, students policies. These are the various types of policies under the medical benefits to the public. Development insurance awareness. If you get the awareness, it is very very important to you. How can you save and how can you get the reimbursement here? Selection of the suitable insurance policies. Various types of policies are there. Which is suitable to you? You can select. No immediate cash outgo thanks to the cashless facility. Immediately, very small amount you can save for your medical expenses. Tension free claim settlement process. Once you go for medical insurance, there won't be any problems. Thank you, students. So I request all the students to concentrate. Of course, the topic is very easy, but you should compulsorily concentrate on the topic. What was the today's topic is? Today's topic is about the health insurance, medical insurance. Thank you.